continuation of your problems. So here now we'll discuss the next problem. It is A, B, C, D. That means A, B, C, D. Draw the KMAP. M0, M1, M3, M2, M4, M5, M6, this is M7, M6, M8, M9, M11, M10, M12, M13, M15, M14. The labels A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, A, B bar. C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D, C, D bar. Okay. In the second problem, what are the variable terms present? 1 is present, 3 is present, 5 is present, 7 is present, 9 is present, 11 is present, 13 and 15. See here, your 1 is adjacent to 3 as well as 5. Your 3 is adjacent to 7 as well as 1. Your 5 is adjacent to 13 as well as 7. 13 is also adjacent to 15. And this is adjacent to 1. This 11. 11 is adjacent to 9. So, all are 1 is adjacent. Suppose if I move, 1 is adjacent to 3, 3 is adjacent to 7, 7 is adjacent to 15, 15 is adjacent to M11, M11 is adjacent to 9, 9 is adjacent to 13, 13 is adjacent to 5, 5 is adjacent to 1. So, it's possible to group with octa. Octa is a combination of how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 terms. That is M1, M3, M7, M15, M11, M9, M13, M5. See, any order you can write, but all 8 terms should be present in the group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 terms are present here. How I can reduce? See here, these 2 are present in this particular row, right? Do you remember yesterday I have told you, any one of the row or any one of the column entirely present means entire variables gets cancelled. How? 2 complementation, 2 uncomplementation get cancelled. Here complement, uncomplement, uncomplement, complement. That means completely a row labels gets cancelled. Among these 2, this one and this one, what is a common variable? D is a common variable. Your entire expression get reduced to a single variable. Octa means a group of 8 terms. It reduces to a single variable. A single variable. Octet or octa. Reduces to single variable. This is your note. Then, the reduced expression equal to f of A, B, C, D is reduced to a single D. This is one problem. Suppose one more values are there this side. This can be grouped with, instead of pair, like this. Okay now? See, I have been added now for this expression 2, 6, 14 as well as 10. Instead of one pair and one octa, how you got Just I am drawing the values. This we have already been done. Instead of making a quad, like this. Okay. This is one your practice problem. You do the practice of this one. Okay. Shall we move for the next one? Third one, that is your W, X, Y, Z. Draw the table for that. M0, M1, M3, M2, M4, M5, M7, M6, M8, M9, M11, M10, M12, M13, M15, M14. What are the values present here? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So as we discussed that time, we have discussed the vertically. Now we are discussing with the horizontal octa. 12 is adjacent to 13, 13 is adjacent to 15, 15 is adjacent to 14, 14 is adjacent to 10, 10 is adjacent to 11, 11 is adjacent to 9, 9 is adjacent to 8, 8 is adjacent to 12. So if I draw like this, then I will get what? Octa. What is that octa? Octa equal to M12, M13, M15, M14, M8, M9, M11, M10. So we forgot the lighting the labels, right? W complement X complement, W complement X, W X, W X complement. Here Y complement Z, Y complement Z, Y Z, Y Z complement. Among these octa, columns are same, right? All 4 columns are there. When all 4 columns are there, all the column labels get cancelled. Now among these two row cancelled. Okay, every variable get cancelled. Among these two, X bar gets cancelled. What is the remaining? W is the remaining. So what is the expression? Reduced expression W X Y Z. We got W. Suppose if it contains along with this, along with the 15, 4, 5, 7, 6. I am writing the table over here for the next problem. That means these things already it is present here. Now 4 is present, 5 is present, 6 is present, 7 is present. As we done in the previous, this we have already been grouped. Don't do the quad, do the octa. Always go for maximum grouping with the less number of terms. If you do quad, you will get 2 variables in the term. If you do the octa, you will get a single variable. So along with this, what you will get? Among these two, what is a common variable you will get? X is a common variable for octa 2. So W plus X you will get. Quad 1 plus quad 2. So what is the combinations of this? M4, M4, M5, M7, M6 plus M12, M13, 15, 14 togetherly gives you the variable x. Among these two columns are same, so every variable get cancelled. Among these two, what is the common variable you'll get? X is the common variable for this problem. Okay, so 2 practice problems I have been given, 2 problems I have explained. So totally 4 problems now I have explained. In the earlier video I have explained the overlapping one. So we'll continue. One more practice problem I have been written over here. Please look at here. This is your practice problem. Take any variable, it's your wish. Take any variable. Those kind of problems also you will get. What? Any variable you can write. So just I am writing the table for this. Just reduce the variable and write the terms by yourself. M1, this is M1, right? M1 present. This is your M4 present. This is your M6 present, 9 present and 10 present. So what last explained the overlapping one. So these two are the group. That means these two are one pair. These two are one pair. This you will get the single. Pair 1 plus pair 2 plus single. The reduced expression equal to pair 1. What you will get the pair 1? Write it. What you will get the pair 2? You write it. Single. Single I am going to write. The term what you will get here? 8 plus 2. If you take ABC, A, B bar, C, D bar. A, B bar, C, D bar you will get. Suppose if you take any other variable W, X, Y, Z, W, X complement, Y, Z complement. If you take P, Q, R, S, then you will get P, Q complement, R, S complement. Depending on the variable, but the complement remains the same. So you practice this one. So 3 problems I have given for today practice. You just practice it. Hope you understood the today's class. We'll continue few more problems in the next session. Thank you, students.